Hello students, welcome to our next module. In this module, we are going to discuss about various components and sensors that are going to be used in our Arduino based projects. We are going to start with very simple things and slowly increase the complexity. So the first thing that we are going to do is the very basic LED blink program. We have discussed LEDs and we have tested them on Tinkercad, but how do we bring that code, that sketch on our Arduino using the IDE? The complete process we are going to see now. So we have the Arduino board here and we are going to drag one LED and one resistor. We are going to set the resistor value to 330 or 470 ohms and let us connect them now. If we are going to take pin number 13, we will take pin number 13 to our resistor with some colored wire, and then the anode will go here and the cathode will go to ground with a black color wire. So these are our connections that we have made for the LED. Let us come to the coding part now. When we click on the code, we have this inbuilt code which says set built-in LED high and low after each second. And pin number 13 is actually connected with the built-in LED. So if you just start this simulation, the LED will blink. If you want to change the pin, you can do it by changing it on the block coding as well as on the text coding. If you want to do on the block coding, slightly move it away, remove the built-in LED part and take set pin number, and here you can select that which pin you are going to work. I am saying 13, then say OK, attach it here, remove it, delete it, and you can click here, right click and duplicate and attach here and say low, and then you start the simulation. It is still going to work. If you want to work on some other pins, you can simply change the pin here. If you want to do it on the text coding, because that is what we need to bring on actual Arduino, so go to the text part and here let us say we are selecting pin number 7 and 7 is low, so we need to make the corresponding change in the circuit also. I am going to drag this wire from here to pin number 7 with a different color. Okay, so now our code is written for pin number 7. The circuit is also ready for pin number 7 and it is glowing at pin number 7. The next step is to dump this code on your Arduino Uno. To do that, we need to connect our Arduino to the computer and we need to open Arduino IDE, because here I don't have the option of bringing it directly on the Arduino. So here is the option to download your code, and you can save your code anywhere on your computer. I have saved it. Now what you can do, go to that location, open the code in Arduino IDE, that is fine. The other way is you just copy this whole code and open Arduino IDE and paste it there. So both the methods are absolutely fine, absolutely same result you are going to get. Well, so I just double click the downloaded code and it opened in the IDE. I need to compile it first. So once I verify, it is going to start the compilation, and if there is any mistake, any error, it is going to be highlighted on this address bar here. So now you can see that the compilation is done. What is next? Uploading. Let me try if it is going to work. I try uploading, it is compiling it again and I get an error. That means the system cannot find anything on COM4. Actually, I have not connected my Arduino and I am trying to upload it. Or I have Arduino but it is not configured on a correct serial port. So the first thing that you should do before uploading is to properly check your Arduino connection on your computer. So how to do that? Let us see that now. So you need to open the control panel and go to device manager. In device manager, you are going to look for the ports. So here we have the ports and you can see your Arduino is connected at COM4. There are few other serial devices that you may have, but your target is COM4. Remember this port number. Now come back to the IDE and go to tools and first of all select board. It should be Uno and second is correct port. Now it is COM4 and now if you say upload, it is going to compile it again and then you can see it is done with uploading. So now my board is programmed with this program where the LED is going to blink at pin number 7. The process is simple. I am going to repeat it. You can directly start working with Arduino IDE. Write your code, connect your board, configure the ports and then upload after verification. If you want to see the simulation, first you can go to Tinkercad, do the simulation, download the code or copy the code and then come to IDE and then verify and upload your code. So once the process is clear to you, in the next video we are going to actually show the hardware demo that how the LED connections will be made on the Arduino board and the same program is going to run. Thank you.